my goodness. There's a lot to be said about leaving something for the next generation. This is actually history, so I'm excited to break it open and see what we get. My age is 36 years. I am the wife of Moses Davis, porter at the Young.
No, stop it.
We are here to connect family dots. This is my mom, Natalie.
We're gonna weave and connect all of the intricate parts to see where your legacy lies.
We had taken the Ancestry DNA test a few years ago. When the results came back, we just started really dive into it. I was always in the gym training, so I don't know much about the family. I'm hoping to find much more today. I'm very anxious, but I'm excited.
When you understand who your ancestors are, it kind of gives you that fuller picture. Where you want to start?
At the beginning.
Maybe like your breakdown.
Okay.
Where you come from.
Okay, so we have Nigeria,
Yeah.
Mali, Cameroon.
It's like the entire western coast of Africa, with Nigerian being your largest. What's also interesting is how we're spread out in the US as well.
Okay, so now let's take a look at our DNA communities.
We live in Texas. We've lived in Virginia. You lived in Ohio.
We've been to all these places.
Yeah, except Louisiana.
Louisiana.
And Mississippi.
Yes.
We want to check out the traits
Yeah,
and
let's do the
see
traits.
where your talent comes from.
Let's see if I really get it from my mama.
You said you like to dance, but you can't hold a rhythm.
Dance moves can be learned.
You can learn to Dougie.
Okay, well, let's see your Dougie. Okay. Can we build a family tree?
Yes, let's do it. So I think you have to add my name.
I do not know your birthday. I'm sorry.
You still don't know.
It's February 12th.
Wrong.
15th. 16th.
Wrong. Yes. Then you add granddad's name.
Okay. How do you spell his name? I'm sorry. Is it Theodore?
Move along.
We know her dad, right? That's what the whole
that was
secret
Pop.
was. Yeah,
That was Pop Pop.
Yeah.
That's Beulah. There's a picture, look. The yearbook. Oh my gosh. That is grandmother, your great-grandmother, right there.
Is this granddad's dad?
Yes. That's his draft card.
Okay.
And you know what's interesting? Granddad also served in the Army.
Yeah. Slender, tall. He was married.
And yeah, look, this shows them in New Orleans.
James Hawkins.
Oh, that's his dad. He left Richmond and went to New Orleans because this is where he worked. He didn't know how to write. Look at the X. He also was 6'2".
Are we sure we're from this lineage? A 6'2", 6'2", 5 foot.
You better give me my one. Coming together.
Okay.
This is somebody else that came up in the family tree. A Civil War, Joseph Bluer. Who is that?
Who is that? Oh my goodness, age 18 years. Wow, 1863.
Wow.
To serve as a soldier in the Army of the United States. Oh my goodness.
This means that our ancestors fought in the Civil War to end slavery in the 97th Regiment.
Wow. This is truly inspiring.
And he volunteered. I feel so honored
Me too.
to be a part of a lineage that fought in various wars.
Already coming from a line of warriors.
These pictures are amazing.
I want to take these.
Put these in a frame. The parish that our family is from, that was one of the last parishes to actually become emancipated. So there he was fighting for the rights of enslaved people, but he was still a slave.
Yeah.
It's overwhelming, actually.
I know it's on a different scale, but I relate to this so hard as far as volunteering or you want to serve and not just for yourself, but for other people and being an inspiration. It doesn't matter the race, doesn't matter where you come from or your background is. You know, you put yourself on the line.
To build something greater.
Yeah, fight for something outside yourself.
Oh, this is like a deposition? It's the case of Lavinia. So this was his wife.
Rain, yes.
And she's applying to get the widow's pension. The fact that we have her words right now, that's very rare. We need the magnifying glass. I am an applicant for pension under the name that he was assigned in the Army, Joseph Bluer, but the name is wrong.
A soldier served in the Army under his master's name. Interesting.
She says his name was Amar Wren. She set the record straight so that everyone coming later would know the truth.
On this 13th day of May, 1912, Matilda Rain Davis disposes and says, my age is 36 years. I am the wife of Moses Davis, porter at the Young...
No, stop it.
At the Young Men's Gymnastics Club? No.
What? And she was the daughter of Lavinia. So she's like a great, great, great aunt.
There's actually no way. This is... I keep reading it because...
If you add 100 to that, what's that equal?
No.
2012.
No, it's not 2012.
Yes, it is. 100 years later, you won. First person of color to ever win the all-around.
I actually cannot fathom this.
You are the continuation of this story.
Wow. To actually hold her words, her interview on the page was very...
Surreal.
Yeah, very surreal.
It was like she was there. Her words resonated with us because it was like, I'm here. I was a real person. I mattered. By the same token, it's like, and you matter.
My life being intertwined with that history. Yeah. It's totally mind-boggling. Okay, now we have to add us to the picture.
Let's do it.
We're very much a part of this.
The fact that you can use Ancestry to build this information is amazing. I'm honestly excited to share this information with all of my aunts, my uncle, with my dad. I kind of want to put this right here, you looking up at your ancestors.
I love that. Knowing that they paved the way for me, I'm truly going to carry this in my heart.
To see that you actually are a piece of history.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I got to do this with you.
I know, me too.